Hello traders, welcome to my channel AM Trading Tips, your ultimate destination for smart trading tools and strategies. Today, I'm reviewing an interesting auto trading tool that's been getting a lot of attention in the Forex world. So let's check out how it really performs. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. Forex trading involves financial risks, and you can lose money. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and only use funds you can afford to lose. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more trading tools and strategies. Now, let's dive in. So, let's talk about this EA. It's designed for MetaTrader 4, and it uses a scalping strategy, which means it makes lots of small, quick trades during the day to catch small profits. It can trade over 20 currency pairs, all from just one chart. That's super helpful if you like trading multiple pairs, but want to keep things simple and automated. Here are some of the features that make this EA stand out. Built-in news filter. It avoids trades during major news, helping you stay out of high-risk situations. Smart martingale system. It increases trade size after losses, but don't worry, you can turn this off if you want low risk. Trailing stop loss and break-even tools. These help lock in profits and reduce losses. Custom time settings. You decide when the EA trades. Hedging support. Perfect for traders who like to balance risk. I just finished a backtest using this EA on EURUSD on the M5 timeframe. Let's take a quick look at how it actually performed. I started with an initial deposit of $1,000 and ran this EA through a full backtest. The total net profit was around $492.98, giving us a return of nearly 49% over the test period. It took 797 total trades, with a solid profit factor of 2.07, which shows that it made over twice as much on winners than it lost on losing trades. Win rates were strong, 81% for short trades and 76% for long trades. The maximum consecutive wins was 58 trades in a row, which is impressive. But it also faced a max drawdown of 65.23%, which is something to watch out for if you're planning to use it on a live account. So, what do I think? This EA is powerful. It's consistent, it scalps well, and it's easy to use. But remember, the high drawdown means you should be careful with your lot sizes and risk settings. Don't just run it blindly on a live account. Like with any tool, it works best when you test, optimize, and monitor it regularly. Want to test it out? The download link is in the video description, but start with a demo account first before using real money. Here are some tips before you start. Always test any EA in a demo account before using it on a live account. Adjust the risk settings according to your comfort level. Stay disciplined and stick to your strategy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to AM Trading Tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, share this video with your trader friends or community. Let's all grow and win together. Let me know in the comments. Have you tried any auto trading tools before? What's your experience? Thanks so much for watching. Keep learning, stay focused, and trade smart. I'll see you in the next one.